because I want to see this. Look at this beautiful golden color. Look at this. Wow.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some, this is probably about 600 or 700 grams of chicken parts here, cut into big chunks. I'm going to make chicken, potato, carrot stew. Now, there are a lot of people telling Appa that they are not so good in cooking, but actually home cooking is so easy that sometimes if you know what are the ingredients to mix together, it will turn out very good. It will turn out like as if you have been cooking for your whole life, yeah? Especially when you mix chicken, I'm using free range chicken here, with a little bit of farm chicken, just to make up the amount I wanted. Then carrot and also potato. These three items you put together, make it into a stew. No matter how you cook it, it will taste really good. Just don't go and add too much salt. Yeah, and so this is what we are going to do. I have, of course, the chicken chunks, some the carrot chunks, and also potato chunks here. Up to you. You decide how much you want to put. And I have some ginger slices and also garlic mince. So first of all, we are going to marinate the chicken. Give it a bit of light soy sauce. If you don't mind taking alcohol, then you can put in some Shaoxing wine. This is optional. And I'm going to give it some oyster sauce. And sesame sauce, sesame oil. Just a few drops of sesame oil will do. And let's mix all this up together. You can put a bit of salt if you like, yeah? And we can leave it there for a couple of minutes. Give it a bit of oil and heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated up, you can put in the garlic and also ginger. Saute this for about a minute before we continue. Right, once you start seeing it become browny, the garlic, you can put in the marinated chicken together with the potato and carrot. Give it a few stir. Wow, already it smells very fragrant. How do you normally buy your chicken? I like buying whole chicken. Then I will get the seller to cut it. Sometimes cut it into half for me. Sometimes cut it into 4 pieces for me. Sometimes 8 pieces. Sometimes even more, depending on what I plan to cook. Nowadays, a free range chicken is going to cost us easily 50 ringgit per piece. How much are you buying your free range chicken at your place? Let Appa know in the comment section below, yeah? Now, next thing we are going to give it some seasoning. Let's reduce the fire to low. First thing, give it some Shaoxing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol. No need to find replacement if you don't use Shaoxing wine, okay? Some oyster sauce, light soy sauce, some salt, some sugar. Now this is optional, but I'm going to add in some Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, yeah? This is to enhance the flavor of the dish. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. Those who are not, don't worry about it. It is really optional. About half teaspoon. You can add some dark soy sauce if you like darker color. I'm not going to add dark soy sauce today. Now I'm going to raise the heat to medium. I give it some water here. This is going to be a stew dish, yeah? You use a nice chicken and make it into a stew, the whole dish will taste really good for sure. Some more we are adding potato and carrot, where it is going to add in extra natural sweetness to your dish. Just enough water to put everything submerged under the broth. The chicken will probably only takes about 10-15 minutes to be fully cooked, but the potato, you need to give it at least 20 minutes and above. So let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiled, we will cover the lid. Right, as you can see, it has started boiling. We're going to cover this with a lid. Tune down to medium-low and let it simmer and cook for probably about at least 20 minutes. Then it is almost done. All right, this is after simmering using medium-low heat for the past 20 minutes. You can see all the nice chicken fat has released from my free-range chicken. Ooh, it become golden in color. See, beautiful color. This is the part of the reason why I don't want to add the dark soy sauce, because I want to see this. Look at this beautiful golden color. Look at this. Whoa. These are natural sweetness. So this dish has natural sweetness from the chicken fat, from the potato, and also from the carrot. You can imagine how sweet this dish is going to be. It's basically done. All you need to do is just to use, taste it and use salt and sugar to adjust to taste. I already tasted it just now. It's perfect. All right, so here's my chicken stew with potato and carrot. Beautiful color, and it's very nourishing. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Now, don't be afraid of the chicken fat. Chicken fat is actually pretty good. Why do you think our chicken rice tastes so good? It's actually coming from the chicken fat. All right. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.